What's up, y'all? Happy Wednesday. So for this Wednesday's body care week, we're going to be highlighting what's coming in our new summer collection on June 20th. Of course, you know I gotta start with the body glows, so let's get into that right now. Body glows are back and better than ever. As you can see, this beautiful new bottle we got labels coming soon, but we also have a new color. It's called 24K Pure Gold. Okay, all 4 scents are now available scented and unscented in sweet vanilla, floral fruit, and our newest permanent scent, which I finally decided is going to be Eden. So you got the sweet vanilla, the floral fruit with the lavender and the orange, and the Eden. I got the rose, the raspberry, the coconut, the jasmine, the lang lang, all of it. Everything you need to smell beautiful and be glistening and glowing this summer. In addition to that, we have a whole new line of what's your favorite coconut oil, and guess what? It stays liquid. Yes, I said it stays liquid. Also going to be available in sweet vanilla, Eden, floral fruit, and unscented. Our garden collection boxes will also have each product available individually. So the body butters have been added to the body butter bundle and the lavender scrub added to the scrub bundle.